Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain a few problems which were given in the previous JEE mains examinations. Let us see the first problem. The value of integral of 1 upon x square times x power 4 plus 1 whole to the power of 3 by 4. So it was asked in 2015 mains examination. Okay, then how to solve this problem? Okay, then how to proceed? See here. So this is the integral of 1 upon, so here x square is there, under the bracket x power 4 plus 1 is there. Can I take x power 4 common outside? If I take x power 4 common outside, what happens? X power 4 whole power 3 by 4, 4 will get cancelled, x cube will remains. Already here x square is there, that is x to the power of 5 is there. 1 plus 1 upon x power 4 dx whole to the power of 3 by 4. Almost the problem is over. So that means you are taking x power 4 common outside. The problem is over. Say here, next the problem will become substitution type. Put 1 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to t. So for one derivative is 0. So this is minus 4 by x to the power of 5 dx is equal to dt. So this is equal to 1 by x to the power of dx is equal to minus 1 by 4 dt. Understand? So your problem will become I is equal to integral of dx by x to the power of 5. Dx by x to the power of 4 is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 4 dt. 1 upon this whole thing is t power 3 by 4. So almost the problem is over. So that is minus 1 by 4. So this is a t power minus 3 by 4 will come. So t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by minus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus c. So this is 4 will get cancelled. Minus 3 plus 4 1. Total this is equal to minus into t to the power of, t means how much? 1 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 whole power. So this is equal to how much? Minus 3 plus 4, 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4 plus c. This will be your final answer. So very easy problem this is. Okay. So the only thing is, if you get that idea, that means we can take x power 4 common outside. So then when x power 4 common comes outside, whole power 4, no, 4 will get cancelled. So x cube into x square, x to the power of 5. Afterwards substitution, 1 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. Substitute t, automatically the answer will come. The only idea is getting x power 4 outside. For that 4 marks. Okay, now I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to second problem. The second problem is asked in 2007. Okay, so even though it appears just like a very big problem, the solution is a very easy one. Let us see the solution. Here f of x is a function defined as x upon 1 plus x power n whole to the power of 1 by n for n greater than or equal to n. Then g of x is another function. It is a composite function of n f functions. That is f of how many f's are there? N f's are there. It is a composite function. G of x is a composite function. Then is asked to find out integral of x to the power of n minus 2 into g of x dx. Okay, if you find out first g of x, then the problem will be over. So first we will find out g of x. What is that? So what is g of x? It is f of n times. First I will find out f circle of f. Understand this? First I will find out f circle of f of x, that is f of x. Okay, now first if it is two f's are there, let us check what happens. So this is equal to f of x means how much? X by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n. Understand this. What is f of x upon 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n? Means wherever x is there, this whole function you have to substitute. Understand this? See here. That means here x is there, no, whole thing you have to substitute. That means x by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n in place of x. total I substituted divided by 1 plus, in place of x, total I have to substitute. That means here whole power n is there. Remember that x by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n. This whole power n is there. Whole to the power of 1 by n is there. Understand this step? Okay, very nice. Okay, now let us see here. This step as it is, I will write down numerator n power n whole power 1 by n. Okay now? Right. So this is in place of x I substitute, this is 1 plus, in place of x again I substituted. See here whole power n is there now. It will come for numerator and denominator. If it comes for denominator 1 by n whole power n will get cancelled. So your problem will become 1 plus x power n by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n. Okay now? Right. Now take LCM. Take LCM. So this is equal to x by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n divided by, see here 1 plus x power n plus x power n, 1 plus 2x power n by 1 plus x power n whole to the power of 1 by n. 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n, denominator 1 plus x power whole power n gets cancelled. Your answer is x by 1 plus 2x power n whole power 1 by n. So that is your final answer. What you observe here? So it is f of x. If one f of x is there, x came, here also x came. 1 plus here x power n is there, here 1 plus 2 into x power n is there, whole power 1 by n, whole power 1 by n is there. So if you go on cyclic order, what will be your f of x? 3x are there, 1, 2, 3. If 2 f's are there, here you got 2. If 1 f is there, here you got 1. Then what will be your answer? X by 1 plus 3 into x power n whole power 1 by n. Understand? So on if you did f of so on n times means x by 1 plus n into x to the power of n whole power 1. So this is your g of x. So your g of x is x by 1 plus n into x to the power of n whole power 1 by n. So you got your g of x. Okay. So let us continue our solution. So we got this g of x is equal to x upon 1 plus n into x power n whole power 1 by n. So what you have to find out? X to the power of n minus 2 into, what is your g of x value? We got it as x by 1 plus n into x power n whole power 1 by n dx. Okay now, so this is equal to integral of x power n minus 1 by 1 plus n into x to the power of n whole to the power of 1 by n dx. So let us think in a logically here only. What is the derivative of this? 1 plus n into x to the power of n minus 1 derivative is what? 1 derivative 0. X power n derivative n into x to the power of n minus 1. Already n is there. That means n square into x power n minus 1. N square. Okay now? N square into x to the power of n minus 1. But in the numerator, it is x to the power of n minus 1 is there, but n square is not there. That's why multiply the numerator and denominator with n square. Now 1 plus n into x power n derivative is n square into x to the power of n minus 1. Therefore, we can write it as 1 by n square. So this is equal nothing but 1 plus n into x power n whole power minus 1 by n. No, it will come in the numerator. So what is the derivative? Sorry, what is the integral? Plus 1 upon minus 1 by n plus 1. Understand? So x power n integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So why? Because 1 plus n into x power n derivative is itself. Okay, right. Now we have one formula. We have a formula. What is that formula? Is f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is equal to this function f of x integral is, sorry, f of x derivative is just side by f dash of x. Now your answer is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Just to find out the derivative of the original function. Okay, now yes, almost the problem is over. Okay, now right, take the here LCM, 1n will get cancelled. So this is equal to 1 by n into 1 into n into x to the power of n. This is equal to how much? This is n minus 1, power n minus n by, so this is equal to how much? N minus 1. N minus 1. So this is your plus c. This will be your final answer, option answer. So your answer is 1 by n into n minus 1. 1 plus n into x power n whole power n minus 1 by n plus c. Okay, now. So very, very nice problem this is. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. Here I and j, two separate integrals are given. Here I is equal to integral of e power x upon e power 4x plus e power 2x plus 1, and j is a separate integral, that is integral of e power minus x upon e power minus 4x plus e power minus 2x plus 1 dx. Then for an arbitrary value, the value of j minus I, he is asking j minus I. So that is the second integral minus first integral. What is j minus I? Let us see here. What is j minus I? So j minus I is equal to, what is j? Integral of e power minus x upon e power minus 4x plus e power minus 2x plus 1 minus, so since both are same, integral dx, here also integral dx is means we can write it in a single integral. So therefore this is a e power x by e power 4x plus e power 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, right. So here what we are going to do is, see here in the denominator e power 4x plus e power 2x plus 1. I want to make the denominator as same. That's why multiply the numerator and denominator with e power 4x. Multiply the denominator with e power 4x. Here also e power 4x. Then see here what happens. E power 4x into e power minus x, e power 3x by e power 4x into e power 4x, e power 4x into e power minus 4x, that is equal to 1 plus e power 4x into e power minus 2x, that is equal to e power 2x plus e power 4x minus e power x by e power 4x plus e power 2x plus 1 dx. This is the first idea that you have to get. That means in order to simplify, you have to make it into a single function. To how to make it is into a single function means you have to make the denominator same. How to make the denominator same? If you multiply the numerator and denominator with e power 4x, the denominators will become same. See here the denominators are same. Now you can write down 3 power x minus e power x whole divided by 1 plus e power 2x plus e power 4x dx. Understand this? So this is your integral. Now you got this integral. Now you have to find out this value. Okay, right. So if it is given directly this problem, it cannot be an IIT problem. What he did is, no, he separated and made into two integrals. That's all. Okay. Then how to proceed this problem? The one and only one procedure is the best procedure is substitution method. So what is the substitution? Best substitution is here, put e power x is equal to t. This implies e power x dx is equal to dt, that is t dx is equal to 1 by t dt. So this is a first substitution. Now you substitute and you will get the answer. Now your integral will become I is equal to integral of e power 3x means here e power x is equal to t, therefore e power 3x means t cube minus this is a t divided by 1 plus t square plus e power 4x t to the power of 4 into 1 by t dt. Understand? So, now the total a new problem we got in terms of t. Then what we will do is we will divide this t for both the terms. Let us see what happens. So, this is equal to this is t square minus 1 by. So, t square minus tt will get cancelled upon 1 by. This is 1 plus t square plus t power 4 dt, right. Next what we will do is we will take the t square common outside. So, if I take t square common outside, so this is a 1 minus 1 by t square divided by, if I t square if I take common outside, what happens here? So, this is 1 by t square plus 1 plus t square dt. T square will get cancelled. So, here this is a t square plus 1 by t square plus 1, no, 1 plus 1 t plus 1 by t whole square we can write it as. So, let us continue the solution. Here our last step is this. See, numerator is as it is I am writing, that is 1 minus 1 by t square. So, denominator t square plus 1 by t square plus 1, no. So, I will write it as a t plus 1 by t whole square, right. Then what happens? T square, okay, there it is there. 1 plus t whole square, that is 1 by t square, 2ab, 2 into t into 1 plus 2 will come. But here plus 1 should come. That is why if I subtract minus 1, the problem will be tally. So, here t square as t square, b square, that means 1 by t square, 2ab, 2 into t into 1 by 2, t cancel 2, 2 minus 1, 1, yes, right. Why I am making this? No. So, here one more substitution you will get. What is the substitution? Put, see here, t plus 1 by t is equal to some u. What is the derivative of this t? 1. 1 by t derivative minus 1 by t square. So, this is a dt is equal to du. Understand this? Now, your problem will become integral of 1 by 1 minus 1 by t square dt is equal to du. So, this is equal to u square minus 1 du. Understand? So, again we got a standard formula, integral of 1 by x square minus a square, integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx. Now, the answer is 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a, that is equal to 1 by 2a, a means 1, log of u minus 1 by u plus 1 plus c. So, here your problem is completed. Here your problem is completed. So, wherever u is there. So, again our answer should be in terms of x, but here we did two substitution. Be careful, we did two substitution. First substitution is u. Understand this. So, u, what is your u? T plus 1 by t. So, this is equal to 1 by 2 into log of u means what? T plus 1 by t. T plus 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1 by t plus 1 plus c. Okay, na? So, the first substitution is where. But what is your t? T is nothing but e power x. So, first I will simplify this 1 by 2 log of. So, this is t square plus 1 minus t. This is t square plus 1 plus t plus c. So, this is equal to 1 by 2 of log of t means how much? E power x. So, this is equal to e power 2x minus e power x plus 1 by. So, this is e power 2x plus e power x plus 1 plus c. This will be your final answer. Understand this? Okay. So, very nice problem, even though there is no short trick for this problem. There are certain problems, there won't be any short tricks. You have to do complete solution. The only short trick is you have to do some direct steps so that you can avoid wastage of time. Okay, now I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. So, this is evaluate sin inverse of root x minus cos inverse of root x upon sin inverse of root x plus cos inverse of root x. So this is a very old problem. So that is was asked in 1986, one of the competitive examinations. So even there I am explaining this problem. So first how to tackle this problem. Okay now. So very easy. Whenever you see this expression, this is sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. So simply you can write it as pi by 2. Sin inverse of alpha plus cos inverse of alpha is equal to pi by 2, where alpha is lies between -1 to 1. Okay, for both sin and cos, domain is -1. Sin inverse of x and cos inverse of x, domain is -1 and 1. Okay, right. We hope that since we is a indefinite integration, there won't be any limits will be there. So that is one of the happiest thing here. We can apply the formula, right? So here also cos inverse of x, I can write it as pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x. So your problem will become integral of sin inverse of root x minus this cos inverse of root x is nothing but pi by 2 minus sin inverse of root x whole divided by pi by 2 dx. Okay now, right, very nice problem. Again this pi by 2 will come outside. So this is equal to 2 by pi integral of minus into minus plus sin inverse of root x plus sin inverse of root x 2 sin inverse of root x minus pi by 2 dx. Okay now, right, very nice. Now multiply 2 by pi inside. Let us see what happens. So this is equal to 4 by pi integral of sin inverse of root x dx minus, if you multiply here, pi will get cancelled, 2 will also get cancelled, minus 1 will be there. What is the integral of -1? Minus x plus c. Now our aim is to find out this integral, that is integral of sin inverse of root x dx. If I find out, the problem will be over. Now I will separate that problem for my our convenience, that is equal to integral of sin inverse of root x dx. Then how to proceed this problem? Simply, I already told here sin inverse of is there. To remove that sin inverse, here there should be one sin function. There should be one sin function. Why? Because sin inverse of sin will get cancelled, you will get theta. Okay, now how to get that one sin function there? For that you will do like this. So put x square is equal to sin theta. Okay. If you put x is equal to sin square theta. If you put x is equal to sin square theta, root of sin square theta is sin theta. Actually modulus of sin theta, already told, there is a very great advantage in this indefinite integration. If it is a definite integration, there definitely the problem arises there. So here no problem. So in place of x, substitute sin square theta. So now what about dx? Dx is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. This is equal to sin 2 theta d theta. Okay, right. Now your problem will become I is equal to integral of sin inverse of root x means how much? Sin theta. Sin theta into this is a sin 2 theta d theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. So integral of theta into sin 2 theta d theta. Okay now, theta into sin 2 theta d theta. Now by parts formula. Now take theta outside. So sin 2 theta, integral of sin 2 theta is equal to minus cos 2 theta, again 2 theta derivative 2 minus integral of theta derivative 1 into whatever may be the value is here, put it there. That is equal to minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Okay now, right. So this is equal to minus theta by 2 cos 2 theta, minus into minus plus integral of cos 2 theta sin 2 theta. Again 2 theta derivative 2, already denominator 2 is there, 4 plus c. Understand this? Plus c. Is the problem is over? No, we have to simplify this problem once again. So wherever Theta is there, you substitute, you have to convert this problem into, in terms of x, you have to convert, okay. So, let us continue our solution. So, our substitution is x is equal to sine square theta. From this, what we will have? So, this is equal to theta is equal to sine inverse of root x, okay na, sine inverse of root x. So, your answer will become, okay, theta by 2 into cos 2 theta, right, in terms of sine. Cos 2 theta means 1 minus 2 sine square theta plus sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta into cos theta by 4 plus c. Okay na? So, everything is clear. So, substitute there, minus 1 by 2 into theta means how much? Sin inverse of root x into 1 minus 2 into sin square theta means how much? X plus 2 to cancel 1 by 2 into sin theta is equal to how much? Root x. Root x. Cos theta means how much? Root of 1 minus, cos theta means root of 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta means x plus c. So, this will be your option answer. Of course, he multiplied x inside root of x minus x square. That is your final answer. Okay. So, very nice problem. This is so it was asked very long back. Even then, I explained to you so that you can understand this type of problems are also very important. So, to do this type of problems are also very important. Okay. So, let us go to next problem. Welcome to this problem. So, the problem is the value of integral of x square minus 1 upon x cube into root of 2x to the power of 4 minus 2x square plus 1 dx. It was asked in 2006 JEE Mains examination. So, whenever this type of root comes, such type of roots come, so always try to take common the maximum power you take common outside. Here x power 4 x square is there, which is the maximum power, x to the power of 4 is the maximum power. Take x power 4 common outside, let us see what happens. Okay, right. So, this is x square minus 1 by. So, if you take x power 4 common outside, when it is comes out it become x square. Why? Because it has a square root is there. Already outside x cube is there. So, this is x power 5 into square root of 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 dx. Okay now? Very nice. I have taken x power 4 common outside. So, I have taken x power 4 common outside, then x power 5. So, x power 5 divide in these two terms. In these two terms, x power 5 you divide. Now, in this case, majority of the cases, see the derivative of this under root, definitely you will get in the numerator. Let us check. So, do the rough work here. What is the rough work? 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x power 4. Find the derivative of that. Okay, if you call it as a t, find the derivative here. So, for 2 derivative 0, so this is equal to minus. So, this is equal to 4 by, that means x power minus 2. So, if I already minus is there, plus will become. So, this is equal to under denominator x cube will come, x power minus 2, no, minus 2 into x to the power of minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, x power minus 3. So, this is equal to minus 4 by x to the power of 5 dx is equal to dt. See here, 1 by x cube minus 1 by x to the power of 5. 1 by x cube minus x to the power of 4 dx. So, this is nothing but integral of this whole thing. This whole thing is dt. Of course, you have to divide with 4. So, that is equal to 1 by 4 of 1 by root 2 t dt. Understand? So, here I have taken 4 common outside. Take that side dt by 4. Then 1 by x cube minus 1 by x to the power of 5. Got it or not? That's all. So, this is equal to 1 by 4 into, so 1 by root 2. So, t power minus 1 by 2. So, t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So here minus 1 plus 2 1, 2 will get cancelled. So here 1 by 2 into 1 by, so minus 1 by 2 plus 1, root 2 you will get here, root 2 t plus c. Understand this? So this is equal to 1 by 2 into under square root of t means 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus c. This will be our final answer. So dear students, the only thing what you have to observe is whenever roots are came, whenever some roots are came like this, take the maximum power, take it outside, take it outside. Let us see what happens. The first idea that you have to get. So whenever such type of roots are there, maximum power take outside. That is the thing what you have to keep it in your mind. Okay now. So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class. With some more problems, I will come to you in the tomorrow's class. Until then, all the best.